In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel or reschedule a session. If you need to cancel a session, click the three dots on the right, select Cancel. A confirmation message will pop up and explain what happens when you cancel. If you are okay with it, click Confirm and Cancel. Your tutor will be notified via email and message. To reschedule, select Reschedule from the option menu. Please read the message carefully to understand the policy, then click I understand to continue. Next, fill in a respectful reason for rescheduling and suggest new times for your tutor to consider. Then click Analyze time slots. Once done, click Submit Request. Your tutor will receive a notification and then respond. If they don't accept your proposed times, the session will stay the same. So make sure you attend it unless it's cancelled. Once the request has been submitted, you can see it under the active request list.